Hello, my name is Kahlil Banning, and I am taking the Drone Boss Drone Academy Fly in the Sky training. So far, it's been really good. They've been very instructive about a lot of things. I didn't know what to expect, but they did a great job with their setup. They did a great job making sure that everything was going to work smoothly. And then the actual content itself feels like everyone is there, everyone is gauged. They're paying attention to the comments, making sure that they're addressing any questions people have, while also just trying to build a foundation of demystifying some of the things around the idea of starting a drone business and kind of teaching people the mindset that they're going to need to be successful. I'm excited to see where they get to in terms of more information around just getting the actual Part 107 and stuff like that. It really has just been kind of like a lot of high level information, but I think it's been really great so far, and I am not regretting taking it this far because even though it's all information that I could probably have gotten on my own, it definitely is helping kind of put me in the mindset of I'm after this, I'm going to go and I'm going to market myself as a drone entrepreneur. I'm going to be a business person and I'm going to have the means and the know-how to know what needs to be said to sell. So thank you very much. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for the course.
Hello, my name is Kahlil Banning, and I am in Virginia. I was referred to this program by a friend in Florida, and it's been a really great course so far. I definitely have gotten a lot more value than I was anticipating. They have taught a lot about like the mindset and the just industry as a whole and the various things that you might come up against as you're breaking into it. It's been really great hearing other people's stories and what they are also looking forward to doing and the different ways that people are able to use Drone Command Live. Mm, Biggest takeaways is definitely that there's a large market out there and that, even if something doesn't look like an opportunity, you could make an opportunity. Uh, the best part about attending virtually is that I could be here when I was doing my other job and also when I just needed to go out and do other things. The most valuable lesson is just that, we're ready. I can go out tomorrow as soon as I get my Part 107, and there will be an opportunity for me to harp in on. So, yeah, and these guys, they seem very confident. They seem to really know what they're doing, and it's kind of a testament to just. I appreciate what they're doing here with their just their know-how and taking something that they're passionate about and being able to share it with others and knowing that they've got a product that people can either take or leave, and if they don't use it, then that's on them. So thank you, Drone Command. Excited to use these skills in the future.